Expert, this is the second biggest shopping season of the year.
Back to school shopping. It's here. Kevin Klug from Secure Retirement Solutions joining us live this afternoon to tell us how to save some money. And many families, they're going back to school shopping the wrong way.
Yeah, it seems
is there a right way?
There are. There definitely is. Families are seeming to change their way of shopping. Instead of a one-day shopping spree, they're actually spreading it out over several days or weeks. Now they think they're doing the right thing and saving money, but actually they're spending more because they're going to the store more often and
they see little things here and there.
They're busting
impulse
the budget.
buying. Exactly.
So what should families thinking about back to school shopping have in mind?
The average family is going to spend about $670 on back-to-school items. One step that they want to do, the 4 steps, number 1 would be to get organized.
Get a list.
Yes, get a list. And you get a list from your school. Start by getting that list from your child's school. Typically, on average, there's about 18 items on there. And what you want to do is you want to identify those items and get a budget. And you can go to my website at srsplans.com, and there you can download that sheet and stick to a budget, and you can help you stay on plan and save money.
Okay, and don't buy everything all at once?
Exactly. If you can wait, get the items you need. You don't need to buy all those folders and pens and pencils all at one time. Get what you need and then go back after Labor Day. You're going to find some great savings and sales.
So what about college students? What's their spending like compared to a kid going off to elementary school?
A college student, you're going to spend on average about $900, and that's up 10% from last year. So you can still stick to the budget and go out and go online, pick up coupons, do your homework, grab your Sunday paper. My wife and I are going to grab our Sunday paper. We're going to map out, and we're going to find out where do we go for clothing, where do we go for electronics and things like that.
The $900 for a college kid, does that include the book fees, or is that on top of it?
That's on top of it.
That's just supplies.
Supplies, dorm room materials, things like that, clothing, electronics, gadgets, computers.
We got out of college when the getting was good.
Right. What about the teaching kids in all of this? They can learn about budgeting?
Yeah, exactly. Once you have your budget, take your child with you. While you're going out to the store, the average child actually spends about $34 out of their own pocket. And that's, doesn't sound like much, but that's over $900 million. So take them with you, take your budget with you, and if they tend to overspend, take it out of their savings. And then if on a flip-flop, if they don't spend as much, reward them and give it back to them and put it in their savings.
All right, good advice. Have a question for any of our experts? Send an email to asktheexpert at today'stmj4.com. You can also leave a voicemail at the number right there on your screen.